Hi guys, today I will show you how you can download WWE 2K for absolutely free. As you can see on Play Store, WWE 2K is a paid game, but I will show you an app by which you can download it for absolutely free. So let's start. First of all, go to any browser you have and download an app called Aptoide. Click on the first link and simply download and install it. Then when the app installed, open the app and search WWE 2K. Just click on the first link and simply install it. I am not installing the WWE 2K yet, but I will ensure you that it will download successfully and you don't face any problem. Thank you for watching the video.